Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world, by Nelson Mandela. Hi guys, I am K. Manas Karthik, here to talk about education. Now, what do you mean by education? Education is acquiring of knowledge, values, skills, habits and beliefs. Now, what are the uses of education? Education helps poverty reduction. Like, if an educated man would be a skillful or knowledgeable man who would get a high income than an uneducated man. Therefore, poverty is reduced. And second, two, education help people to overcome social evils. Like, people think twice and thrice before believing any superstition said by the others. Like, if somebody says there is a lemon over there, I did some puja to that, now you make your vehicle go on that, your vehicle will go fast. But an uneducated man would make his vehicle go fast and he would believe that his vehicle is going very fast. But an educated man would think and think to get the logic behind why did he say that. Now the logic is, in the olden days, bullock cars used to have animals driving them, animals as engines. When animals walk, their feet may get affected by bacteria, and when they walk on lemon, the bacteria would get killed and they would walk very fast than before. So if he adapts it in a nice way, then it would be a meaningful idea. But if an uneducated man would not think because he don't have knowledge or skills, and he would in turn believe that idea and follow it and teach it to his kids and his friends too. Third, education helps you increase your income rate. If you are an educated man, then you would have your skills very high than an uneducated man, and your income rate would be high. With education, you can even control the whole country all by yourself. Like, for example, APJ Abdul Kalam. He was a great man, a well-educated man. He was named the Missile Man of India, and he was also announced as the President of India. But due to some issues, he passed away. But if you are really educated, you can become a collector who can command over the whole state or district. He would command over all the district to make necessary actions to reduce poverty and like educating people and many more. But if you are an uneducated man, you would be a common man in all the people. With education, you can stand out of the crowd and be more creative, like Albert Einstein, Stephen Hawking, etc. Fourth, education not only applies for the jobs like president, civil and many more. It also applies for doctors who are very well educated. They can save many lives. And also the military persons. Even they have very nice education. They have strong knowledge on all the special combats, how to fight and many more. You can also become a scientist who can invent something. From here, if you click one button, there is a big country being destroyed. All this is because of education. Now if you are educated, you are doing farming, you would always calculate and you would buy some combined harvester or something depending upon your farm, and you would grow and yield more. You can also become a nice motivational speaker. Now what does a motivational speaker wants? He wants so much of knowledge. For that he need to be heavily educated. Then he can aspire many people. You can also become businessman. Now if you are well educated, you know all the strategies and tricks of business, and you can acquire more people who would buy your product. Now how can education change the country? If the literacy rate, that is the people educated, by the total people is more, then the country would be the leading power. Like for example US, Poland, Norway, France, Russia. These countries are very educated. They are now the powerful countries which can change the world by one single thought. Now for example, see Bill Gates and even Mark Zuckerberg. They have the apps. By their one thought they can change the all mindsets of youngsters. And even mother education is also more important. If mother is educated in the family, nobody would get ill. And in the homeworks of children, mother can help the children to do their homeworks on time and can also clarify their doubts. So if everybody in the country are educated, then the whole country would be the leading power and become a very happier place to live. So let us all take the oath to educate as many people as we can. Even the poor need to be educated. Are you with me? Thank you.
Please subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to get updates.